Alexander, I'm so excited to finally be here today. I've dreamt of this day for a long time, the day I get to become your wife. When we first met, I had no idea that one day we'd be here, getting married and traveling the world together. I remember our first date. We saw a late night showing of a scary movie. Even though it was past midnight, we weren't ready for the night to end. We went to IHOP and Potter's Lake and to the Overlook of Thorns just to try to savor every minute we could. It wasn't until after sunrise that you took me home. Our love grew so quickly, and you soon became the best friend that I've ever had. As your wife, I promise to love you on days that I don't like you. I will support you in all of your endeavors. I will respect you, and I will love you endlessly. I promise to make you proud to call me yours, and I promise to never stop dancing with you. I love that your family has become mine, and mine has become yours. I can't wait to continue to grow our family, both two-legged and four-legged babies. You're the love of my life and have opened my eyes to more in life than I ever thought I would see. I love who I am with you and because of you. The people we have grown to be together are people I'm so proud of. I can't wait to see how long and beautiful our life will be. I love you.
Mackenzie. When thinking of everything I have wanted to accomplish in my life, just one thing stands out from the rest, and that was to meet you. The cute new girl at work. The only one that could pull off those terrible uniforms. 3 years later, I'm on the other side of the world with you, ready to give my all. Today and every day after, this is my promise to you. I will listen when you need to be heard, watch you when you need to be seen, and hold you when you need to be held. I will support you in your dreams, no matter how big or small they might be. If they mean anything to you, they mean everything to me. I will remain vulnerable to you and be willing to better myself with every day that passes. I will always be your biggest hype man, because nothing shines brighter than you, and I will never let you forget that. I will stay young with you forever, with countless road trips, dog park dates, and dance battles to come. I will never give up on our journey through life, knowing that you and me together is stronger than any obstacle we may face. When things get tough and you cannot find the strength to move forward, I will be there for you. Today and every day after, I will be your all.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.